Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Crush the peeled garlic into a bowl. Add the chopped rosemary. Finely grate in the lemon zest and drizzle in a good lug of oil, then mix together. Season the lamb with sea salt and black pepper, then drizzle with the marinade and rub all over the meat. Place on the hot bars of the oven above the tray.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This part of the animal works hard, so the meat from a lamb's shoulder is full of flavor. It takes a while to become tender, but this means it's a great choice for stewing and slow roasting. To maximize the flavor, cook lamb shoulder on the bone so the meat simply falls apart when pulled with a fork. 24 March 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you buy a whole leg of lamb for cooking, very often you will purchase it frozen. If this is the case, as with any joint of meat, it is vital to defrost it fully before it can be cooked. Take it from the deep freeze about 36 to 48 hours before you intend putting it into the oven. 21 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lamb should be roasted 20 minutes per 450 grams per pound, plus an extra 20 minutes. Weigh meat prior to roasting to determine cooking times. Cook at 220 C, 200 C fan for the first 20 minutes and then 190 C, 170 C fan for the remaining time.
Take our lead.
The setting temperatures and times may vary according to manufacturer. To qualify as a safe slow cooker, the appliance must be able to cook slow enough for unattended cooking yet fast enough to keep food above the danger zone. In general, low setting on a slow cooker equals 190 degrees Fahrenheit and high setting equals 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 6 February 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.